Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower your credit card interest rates using Bright. Lowering your credit card interest rate can save you hundreds, and Bright helps you to make it easier. First, start by linking your credit cards in the Bright app. It analyzes your current interest rates and payment behaviors. Bright then uses its smart tools to suggest when you're eligible to request a lower APR, often after showing consistent on-time payments or reduced balances. You'll get step-by-step guidance on how to contact your credit card issuer, exactly what to say, and how to improve your chances of getting approved. In some cases, Bright may even help you to discover better balance transfers or consolidation offers that come with lower rates. By combining this strategy with Bright's small payments, you'll reduce interest and get out of debt faster without the guesswork. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.